My neighbor, he gave me this radio and he asked me to restore it back. And now it's a very long time, it's about 3 months. I could not find a time to restore his radio back. Plus, this radio actually has many components lost. So we have to do a lot of work. Let's go ahead together, guys, and repair the radio for him. Here we are. The neighbor is asking about it. So I have to make it tonight. And it is tough, especially this AM oscillator. And we don't know the values of the electronics, of the components missed here. I wonder how long it will take. But he is excited about it, and I decided to help him. I'm not taking money for this, of course. This is only favor. I'll do it for him. Let's go first and study this circuit to know what values we can give for the missed components. So here we are trying to find out what are the missing components. First off, we can find out very easily that this circuit is using the famous 2003 radio circuit, and there was a very complete and profound tutorial on the previous channel. I hope I will upload it again into how to connect and use the integrated circuit IC2003. Okay, so we can find out that this is an electrolytic because it's written CD3, and under this already electric here, it is also written CD2. So, and also from the symbol itself. So we have one electrolytic capacitor missed, 1, 2, 3, about 3, 4 ceramic capacitors, and one resistor here. The other resistor is here. So we have to find out these values. It's very easy for anybody who knows and familiar with the integrated circuit IC2003. All right, so we have here two RF filters, 455 kilohertz filters for the EM. This is an EM radio. And we have a missing RF oscillator. This is very important. We have to design one here. Also, we have the RF coil is missing here. So by looking at the PCB, we can find out the missing components. Okay. This is our design. So we will give those two resistors 10 kilo ohms. And we will give those two capacitors a code of 104, 103 for this capacitor and this capacitor. Okay, those are already present, this one and this one, so that's good. At least we don't have to fetch for them. And we have to find this one that is a mediator and a filter between the oscillator and the variable capacitor. Okay, it should be here. As I said, give a code of 181. That would be enough. All right, and those are, we will use 455 kilohertz filter and ceramic capacitor sorry, for AM. This is going to be 33, of course, based on the circuit itself. Our design for the oscillator is like this. We are going to make this the primary. Okay, I'm going to make it 12 centimeters. Okay, and we will make this side here the secondary. We'll give it like between 70 to 72 centimeters. Okay, we will just enhance the oscillation as much as we can. Okay, and for this IC I'm going to choose a Chinese one rather than TA2003. Okay, so let's just search our old room. By the way, my room is not finished yet. Actually, nothing has been done so far in cleaning and, you know, renovating. Nothing has been done yet. It's still there with the mist. So I have to go there and check my my components. I hope it will not take so much time. I hope we can do it fast. Oh my God, this will take so much time. It took so much time. I have many other issues in this weekend.
كل الأحوال هناك كما ذكرت جو عام يأتي اتباعا سلبيا تجاه فن القراءة. أنا أتصور أن التعليم تقصد بتنوع الكتب؟ نعم، معي في حركة النشر. طبعا دور النشر في العراق يعني بدأت بشكل فعلي بعد العام 2003 بعد التغيير الكبير الذي حصل. كانت دور النشر في العراق قبل هذا التاريخ والوعد أيضا من خطاب الوعظي لا يكفي. مثل فن السينما أو التلفزيون يعني، وهذه الفنون المجاورة يعني دائما ما تستغل الكتب الجيدة وسائل. الجنة قال تعبد الله ولا تشرك به. أنا أشوف حتى جوابا على سؤال السيد المرجاني